Sam, do you realize how close you were to having a golden set in the first set?
Yeah, I knew at 4-love, 40-love that I hadn't lost a point, and you know the match had been going pretty quick and obviously in my favour. So it did pop into my head for a split second, and then I hit the double fault. So then I was quickly erased, and it was on with the next point. Yeah, to be honest, I don't know if there's necessarily more pressure to go out and have to defend. I mean, it's a new year, it's a new tournament, and of course you want to, but at the end of the day, you can't think that, you know, that's the goal. But of course you want to win, but again, playing here compared to Australia, it's just different. I love playing at home, but there is that increased, I guess, expectation, and you know, you're in the spotlight a bit more back home, and you see yourself on TV and you know in the newspapers, and you can't, even if you're not looking for it, it's unavoidable. Whereas here, you know, there's other players that are, you know, in that spot instead. So it's just a different thing, and I think, yeah, the more you go through that, hopefully the better you handle it, and the more you get used to it, and then it doesn't affect you as much. No, I mean, I think it was a really good start. I'm very happy with the way I played. I thought I served really well, and there's not really anything that I'd say I have to go out on the practice court and work on. Obviously tomorrow I will go out there and practice, and I'll try and, you know, fine tune a few things, but I think first round's down, and it was a good start, and as the week progresses, then you work on whatever you need to. Yeah, I think no matter whether you're defending champion or whatever your ranking is or whatever the case is, first rounds, you're always going to have a little bit of nerves, and you know, actually today it probably was a little bit, but I felt great. I felt like I'd prepared as best as what I could. I'd done everything I could, and you know, I felt like I was going to go out there and play well. I didn't know I was going to win 1-on-1, but it was kind of the way I felt going into it. I felt pretty relaxed and calm about it. I wasn't trying to, all of a sudden the goal didn't become to win a golden set, but yeah, I guess it pops into your head, and you think, oh, well, that'd be cool, but you go through and I want a couple more points, and then yeah, then I hit that double fault. But
was that nerves, or was that like?
No, I don't think it was nerves. I think it was just, it was 19 points in a row, so you're going to lose one at some point. It's just the way it goes. Yeah, I think probably today kind of carried on from exactly how I was feeling last year. So hopefully that's a good omen. But yeah, I mean, as far as first rounds go, I was very happy with today. And last year I did feel that comfort out there, and nothing bothered me. And today was certainly, you know, along those same lines.